Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here today because we're tackling a topic that affects so many of us, especially as we get a little older, getting a good restorative night's sleep. How many times have you found yourself tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, your mind racing when you know you should be resting? You wake up feeling groggy, irritable, and just not yourself. It's a frustrating cycle, isn't it? You know that quality sleep is crucial for your energy, your mood, your memory, and your overall health. But knowing that doesn't make it any easier to drift off. You might have tried everything, avoiding caffeine in the afternoon, putting away your phone before bed, maybe even counting countless sheep. And while those are all great habits, sometimes our bodies just need a little extra nudge in the right direction. A gentle signal that says, "Hey, it's time to wind down and recharge." Well, today, I want to share something incredibly simple, natural, and comforting that might just be the missing piece of your sleep puzzle. It's a special nighttime drink that's been cherished for generations, and for good reason. No, it's not some complicated potion with hard-to-find ingredients. In fact, you might already have everything you need right in your kitchen. I'm talking about a warm and soothing golden milk, but with a special twist specifically designed to promote relaxation and sleep. Now, don't worry if you've never heard of it. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make it, why each ingredient works its magic, and how to incorporate it into your nightly routine to transform your sleep quality. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about creating a peaceful, comforting ritual that your mind and body will start to look forward to each night. So, what is this magic drink? The star of our recipe is turmeric. This beautiful golden spice is a powerhouse. You've probably used it in curries, but its benefits go far beyond flavor. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which is famous for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. As we age, our bodies can deal with more low-grade inflammation, which can cause aches, pains, and general discomfort. All things that can definitely keep you up at night. By sipping on this drink, you're giving your body a gentle, natural way to calm that inflammation, helping you feel more comfortable and at ease as you lie down. But that's not all. Curcumin has also been studied for its potential to reduce anxiety and calm the mind. It helps support your body's natural stress response system, making it easier to switch off those racing thoughts that often pop up just as your head hits the pillow. It's like a warm, internal hug for your nervous system. The second key ingredient is a pinch of black pepper. This might sound strange in a bedtime drink, but it's crucial. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. On its own, our bodies have a hard time absorbing all the beneficial curcumin from turmeric. But piperine can boost the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. It's an amazing example of natural synergy. Just a tiny pinch is all you need to unlock the full potential of the turmeric. Next up, we have cinnamon. More than just a delicious warming spice, cinnamon is excellent for helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Why does this matter for sleep? Well, sharp spikes and crashes in your blood sugar, even overnight, can disrupt your sleep cycle and cause you to wake up. By including cinnamon, you're helping to keep your blood sugar stable throughout the night, promoting a more continuous, uninterrupted rest. Plus, its sweet, comforting aroma is incredibly relaxing on its own. Now for our calming champion, chamomile. We're going to use a chamomile tea bag as the base for our drink. For centuries, chamomile has been the go-to herb for relaxation and sleep. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain that may decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. It's a natural sedative, but a very gentle one. It doesn't knock you out. It just eases you into a state of peaceful drowsiness. It's nature's lullaby in a cup. Finally, we need a base. You can use any type of milk you prefer. Dairy milk is a classic choice and contains tryptophan, an amino acid that can help promote sleep. If you're dairy-free, unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk are all fantastic options. The key is to choose something creamy and comforting to you. A splash of healthy fat from the milk also helps with the absorption of the fat-soluble curcumin in the turmeric. So, let's put it all together. It's incredibly easy. First, you'll need 1 cup of your chosen milk. Pour it into a small saucepan and place it on the stove over medium-low heat. We want to warm it gently, not boil it. While the milk is warming, add your ingredients. Drop in 1 chamomile tea bag. Then, add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. If you're new to turmeric, start with 1/4 teaspoon and see how you like the taste. Add a pinch of ground cinnamon. About 1/4 teaspoon is lovely. And don't forget that tiny pinch of finely ground black pepper. It's the key. Now just stir everything together gently with a spoon or a small whisk as the milk warms up. You'll see it turn into a beautiful, vibrant, golden color. Let it heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want it to be nice and hot, steamy, but not bubbling. This gives the spices and the tea time to infuse their wonderful properties into the milk. Once it's warmed through, turn off the heat. Carefully remove the chamomile tea bag, giving it a little squeeze to get all the goodness out. Now for the finishing touch. If you like a little sweetness, this is the time to add it. A small drizzle of raw honey or a bit of maple syrup works beautifully. Honey, in particular, can be beneficial for sleep in small amounts. It helps restock the liver's glycogen stores, which can prevent your brain from waking you up in the middle of the night in search of fuel. Just a little bit is all you need. Pour your beautiful golden milk into your favorite cozy mug. Find a comfortable spot to sit, away from screens and distractions. Hold the warm mug in your hands. Take a moment to inhale the fragrant steam. Smell the earthy turmeric, the sweet cinnamon, and the floral chamomile. This is the beginning of your wind-down ritual. Sip it slowly. Don't rush. Let the warmth spread through your body. Feel yourself starting to unwind. This isn't just a drink, it's an experience. It's you, taking a deliberate moment at the end of the day to care for yourself. This simple act of self-care signals to your brain that the day is done and it's time to prepare for rest. Make this drink about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to bed. This gives the ingredients time to start working their gentle magic and gives you time to fully relax. You can pair this ritual with reading a few pages of a book, listening to some calming music, or doing some gentle stretches. Consistency is key. The more you make this part of your nightly routine, the more effective it will become. Your body and mind will start to associate the taste and smell of this golden milk with sleep, creating a powerful psychological cue for rest. Think of it this way. For years, you've had a routine to start your day. Maybe it's a cup of coffee or tea. Now you're creating an equally important routine to end your day, a ritual dedicated to rest, recovery, and rejuvenation. Many people in our community have found this simple drink to be a game changer. They report falling asleep faster, sleeping more deeply, and waking up with fewer aches and pains. It's a testament to the power of simple, natural ingredients that have been trusted for centuries. So, I encourage you to give this a try tonight. Gather your ingredients, create your calming ritual, and see how you feel. You deserve to wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to enjoy your day to the fullest. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a fundamental pillar of our health. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this simple recipe brings you peaceful nights and brighter mornings. If you try it, please come back and let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.